In this video, we will introduce the tips to become a Palo Alto Networks certified XSOAR engineer. What is Palo Alto Networks certified XSOAR engineer? XSOAR engineer exam details. Exam objectives. Best tips to prepare. 1. Which authentication method is commonly configured first when deploying XSOAR in a production environment? A. LDAP, AD integration. B. SAML-based SSO. C. Local user accounts. D. OAuth 2 with API keys. 2. When deploying XSOAR engines across multiple sites, what is the main purpose of the engine? A. To act as a log collector. B. To allow communication with external integrations in restricted networks. C. To provide an additional authentication layer. D. To replace the XSOAR server for failover. 3. A society engineer needs to define pre-ingestion rules to drop certain incident types. Which feature should be used? A. Post-processing rules. B. Incident pre-processing rules. C. Mapper configuration. D. Layout customization. 4. Which element is not part of incident lifecycle management in XSOAR? A. Incident creation. B. Incident closure. C. Indicator enrichment. D. SLA monitoring. 5. A society engineer needs to define pre-ingestion rules to drop certain incident types. Which feature should be used? A. Post-processing rules. B. Incident pre-processing rules. C. Mapper configuration. D. Layout customization. 6. Which playbook task type allows an analyst to make a manual decision during execution? A. Script task. B. Condition task. C. Manual task. D. Sub-playbook. 7. Which of the following best describes the function of transformers in playbooks? A. Retrieve values from integrations. B. Modify context data before passing it to the next task. C. Assign outputs from a script. D. Debug execution failures. 8. A playbook designer wants to reuse logic across multiple workflows. Which method is recommended? A. Copy-paste tasks into each playbook. B. Use sub-playbooks with defined inputs and outputs. C. Apply conditional branches. D. Use filters in task outputs. 9. What is the purpose of incident relationships in XSOAR? A. To connect incidents to indicators only. B. To link incidents to playbooks. C. To show logical connections between related incidents and entities. D. To configure dashboards. 10. A security engineer wants to share enriched indicators with an external threat intel service. Which feature should be used? A. Classifier and mapper. B. Threat intel sharing integration. C. Incident layouts. D. Engine deployment. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe PassCert for more IT exam prep.